Welcome back to Jessie's Performance. I apologize that we missed our video last week. We kind of had some stuff going on with my little dog, so I just was not mentally able to do a video this last week, but we're back. And my little dog is okay, so if everybody was wondering, she's good. So we have been working on an 85 Caprice. And we had it over in the body shop. We were going to do some body work on it, but we found it needed floor pans. And at that point, it's just worth taking the body off of the frame and starting at ground zero. Do the frame, get the frame powder coated, deal with the floor pans, and then we can paint the car. So I'm going to share with you some footage of taking the body off of the frame and doing some frame work on it, because it's got 28-inch wheels on it, so we have to notch the front of the frame so that he can turn. So I'm going to share some of that with you, and here we go.
Up and away.
All right, y'all, that's it for this week. Make sure you stay tuned. We have a super exciting project coming up. It's a diesel C10 conversion. That's all I'm going to say about it. So definitely stay tuned. Make sure that you check out the videos on that project. And like, subscribe, comment, and as always, thanks for watching.